Okay, so Hadar is home, and he's in there. And we are gonna go take Rafael to gymnastics. Hadar came home early because he has the car, and we needed to take Rafael to gymnastics. So not having two cars,
there I am,
really affecting us negatively.
I'm right there.
I love you.
Love you too.
Well, the exposure's turned way up too. I need to get the I have the window open. It sounds like nature sounds outside. Like the little machine that we have. I gotta get her some clothes over here. And I can't reach them because the bed is full of stuff. I was talking to somebody about a Jeep. He's talking to his brother-in-law. Always a Jeep. We have a 150 shekel gift card from his step sister. So I'd like to go spin this tonight.
There I am, Mommy.
Maybe put it towards a stroller. I'd like to get one for free, but as soon as they're put up, they're taken. So we've been trying for like a week now. I still don't have a stroller, so go see how much they cost. Are you looking at yourself? She's looking at herself. Hey, Lily, how you doing?
All right.
Is the course really draining you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's in a course for 2 weeks. He's almost done though.
Tomorrow's the last day.
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Good. Let's go. There's a wall over here. This is a school that Rafael goes to gym at. And you can see the talit, the thing that boys wear underneath their clothing. And it's got the like tassels that hang down. This is a religious school. It's not an Orthodox school, but it's a religious one.
You can see sciences and technology with it as well.
Oh yeah, look at the NASA spaceship.
That comes along with a scroll, so they do both this and that, religion.
Oh yeah, scroll.
And everything else.
It's actually a nice painting. It's kind of old from the desert though. The desert makes everything old. It ruins everything, basically. But this is a pretty decent school, and they have a really nice play yard out here. They have like a cabin like that you can sit at, probably like tables, and they've got a soccer court with 2 end goals and basketball. And inside is the big huge gym where Rafael is, and I'm sure there's like some other thing over here. This building is some other thing that's not a gym. But it's got like different rooms and bleachers and everything in there. It's nice. But they rent it from the school to use it in the evenings for classes for the, what is it, Miknas?
Matnas.
Miknas?
Matnas.
Oh, Matnas. It's like a community center. They rent it from the school. Or maybe they don't even rent it. Maybe they just use it. Because they're all together, aren't they? Or maybe this is a private school.
No, I know.
Oh, yeah. But it's nice. It's a good thing for him to come to twice a week, so.
It's red, yes, red.
Yes, it's very red. So pretty.
Yeah.
God, the things that Hadar makes me freaking do. Oh, look, it's got a suspension thing in it. Hope nobody's in this vehicle. I doubt I'd be able to get into it. Yep, the tire's in the back. Jeez, Hadar. Oh, these tires are really bad, actually.
Tiny windshield.
Oh God, here they come. Green beans. Okay, Rafael's having long green beans that were fried with butter and 2 hot dogs with some ketchup.
Hand me over that beer when you come over here. Thank you.
Wheel. Wheel. Spinning wheel.
Woo!
Wheel, wheel, spinning wheel.
We're doing schoolwork, okay, Abigail? You be good over there.
Try the letters.
Look at me, look at me. Something interesting over there, huh? Is that interesting? Is that interesting? Yeah, cool. Okay, I just had to wipe it off. We are going to do letters. Numbers. We're gonna write.
Yes, those are numbers.
Actually, let's use a different one. Go pick out your favorite color. Over here.
I like red and brown.
Okay, pick them out.
I need one more. I just need one more, Mommy.
By the way, Rafael loves Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
So hello, Marina.
Hello, Kitty.
Okay, pick your favorite color.
Brown.
All right.
Red.
Okay. All right, pick one.
Red.
Rafael. Here, pick one, and you're going to write a 1. See how the 1 looks in Hebrew?
It's big, tall, 10.
Right here.
We're gonna count by 5.
Here. Look here. You're gonna go. You want to do 6s first? See the arrow? You go down and around.
No, I don't want to
Here.
do 6 yet.
My camera keeps shutting off. All right, so let's do 1. You go from here. See?
Yeah.
Look. Watch.
I'm gonna do it by myself.
That autism life.
I'm gonna do
Okay.
it by myself.
Okay, now watch. You start here, you go up, and then you go down. Okay? You do it.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's good.
No, it isn't number 1.
No?
No.
What is it?
It
Here,
is
let's do it
number
again.
6.
No. You did good. I wish this was more...
You do
Erasable.
it. I can't do it.
You can do it, and you will do it, because you have to do it. So here, go ahead and do it. You go up to that point, and then down to that point.
Not number
Ooh.
1. No, I can't draw number 1.
Okay, you want to do a 6? See the arrow? You start at this dot, you go around to this dot, and then around to the dot again. Like that. Go ahead.
Okay, I'll just do a big one and a tall one and a little one.
Okay, go ahead. Here. Remember,
No!
remember how to hold your pen? Do you remember how to hold your pencil? Go ahead and hold your pencil the right way.
Maybe let's do red first. Red first.
Really?
Yeah. Wipe it off again.
The camera's going back and forth. I had to put it in a different mode because it kept shutting off. This camera is not good anymore, unfortunately. These are very expensive cameras, but they don't last forever. I had to put it in a different mode, the I plus mode.
You're gonna do number 1, Mommy.
Do you want to do 2? Because we already did 1. Do you want to do 2?
No, I can't do 1. You can do 1.
I'll do 2. Start at this dot, up, follow it, stop at this dot, and then
Yeah, you did it.
2. I don't know why they got all fancy with this 2 now. They really didn't have to do that. Here, you draw a 2 like this.
Here.
Okay. Do you see that 2? Can you trace over my 2? Just trace over it. Can you trace over it, starting at the top?
Yeah.
Start at the top, okay?
Yeah.
Here, hold your pencil the right way. Very good. Well, that's a 0 because when you got here, you should have went that way, right?
0?
Yeah.
I
Go ahead
wanted-
and try again. Go up, down, and over.
Yeah, 2.
Yeah, you're getting it. Let's do it again.
I trusted
Okay,
you.
now when you get here, go straight over. Make a line to go from here straight over, like this. From here straight over. Oh, it didn't color.
Yee.
See how that's a 2?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah, I drew this to the top.
All right, go ahead and draw one more. Right here.
Start to the line. Tail.
Uh-huh. You start up at the top.
No, at the bottom. Bottom. Top. 2. Number
No,
2.
that's not a 2. That's more like an L. Start at the top right here. So you go whoosh, and then down and then over. Yes? Here, write it on this one and write it harder so you can see.
Oh no. You do number 2.
Here,
What?
right here.
This phone. Tiny. I want to do tiny.
Go ahead.
2. Number 2.
Do you know how to hold your pen? Hold your pen the right way. Kinda. Here. There.
Thanks.
Draw a 2 right here. Start up here. Go around, down, and over. Like this. And now over.
It's number 2.
Go from here and draw a straight line over.
Number 2.
Okay. All right, this is gonna take a while. You want to do 3 now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You do number 3.
Okay.
You. I'm gonna take a bath and eat my bonbon and go to bed. Bye, guys.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Abigail says good night too.
Good night, Abigail.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share FoolyLiving. You can't trust humans. You have to see what they're doing and watch over them. Make sure they're not doing something silly, shady.
Okay, you can see the floor now. Good for him.